The oil life monitoring system on your 2017-2020 Nissan Armada tracks oil degradation based on mileage, driving conditions, and engine load. Resetting it after an oil change is crucial to avoid false warnings. Ensure the vehicle is off and in park. Turn the ignition to the on position, engine not running, dash lights on. Use the steering wheel buttons to navigate the multi-information display. Select Settings or Menu. Navigate to Vehicle Settings, Maintenance, Oil and Filter. Select Reset and Confirm. You might need to hold a button or confirm multiple times. Turn off the ignition to save the changes. This manual button-based process via the MID remains consistent with the original design for these models. Failing to reset the oil life monitor can lead to premature maintenance alerts, even when the oil is fresh. Improper resets, such as starting the engine during the process, can corrupt the monitor's data. Always follow the step-by-step guide carefully to avoid this issue. Ensure the vehicle's battery has sufficient voltage above 12 volts before starting the reset process. A weak battery can cause the reset to fail. The oil life monitor is helpful, but not a replacement for scheduled oil changes. Change oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles or every 6 to 12 months as recommended. For the 2017 to 2020 Armada, there are no smartphone apps available for resets. The process remains purely manual through the vehicle's display. If the system continues to show glitches after resetting, consult a professional mechanic for diagnosis. OBD2 scanners are becoming popular for verifying resets, but the standard factory reset function should work properly for most users.